The house includes a lush and expansive landscaped courtyard, and intentionally celebrates the large roof overhangs, which are so important in hot and humid Singapore, to protect from the tropical sun and rain. The expansive property includes a landscaped water courtyard featuring small islands filled with plants. Bridges that connect walkways with the islands also allow movement between various seating areas. The water feature and abundance of plants also help to cool the home and provide shade. Alternative outdoor areas include a roof garden with small shrubs, trees, lawn, and a seating area. And now, look at the house at night.